Hello guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the ActiveTrail app within your sub account and get it connected to your ActiveTrail platform, and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow. So let's get started. Inside your sub account, we go at the app market, so we search ActiveTrail. There we go. ActiveTrail. We go at install, allow and install. In order to get the installation going, we need to provide the API key. So how do we get it? We just have to switch to the ActiveTrail platform. Inside the platform, we come up here and then API keys, new. Let's say my option with this. You can select the date when it's gonna expire. Let's say the 31st. Save and we have the copy, paste, and the tool is successfully connected, and you can start executing actions directly from your workflow. In the next video, we're going to go over all the actions inside the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you did enjoy this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.